Hi Daria and hi everyone. From today's video you will learn more about our significant part of the work and you know how we stay with the client from very first design visit to final drawings approval, and then some magic happens in our workshop and then carpenter comes on site with all the pieces to install the unit. And you know that 90% of job is done in the workshop and the rest of 10% we do on site. It's assemble the unit, it's trimmed the pieces to follow the shapes of the walls, ceilings, skirtings, etc., just to make everything to fit nicely. But yeah, what we do in the workshop, Daria?
Hi Veronica and hello everyone. So this is a very exciting topic and I'd be happy to explain you the process of how we work in the workshop, what would be the next steps in the workshop, and what are the earliest stages before arriving on site.
All right, could you let us know what tools we use?
In the workshop, we have a big saw. So this saw helps us to cut all the pieces, to cut the materials very fast and more efficiently than we used to when we had a smaller workshop. So this is a very great tool. It's very helpful, and the guy who cuts the pieces then passes them to the prep station.
Did you just said prep? Could you please explain in details what do you mean by prep?
Yeah, that's a good question. So what's prep? Like, what is it? So prep is basically, you know how you choose either shaker doors, beaded doors, you can, for example, have drawers inside your wardrobes. So this is what we do on this stage. So for example, we assemble shaker doors, we fully complete shaker doors in the workshop, we fully do beaded doors in the workshop, we fully do drawers, we assemble the drawers, we do round doors on all of the pieces, we do holes for hinges to make the process on site easier and faster. So this is what's prep. It just saves time for the carpenters on site, and we try to do as much as we can in the workshop.
Thank you, Daria. And one more question regarding finishes. So we have hand-painted finished, and here is everything very clear. The painter comes on site after the carpentry installation as a separate visit and paint the units on site. But there is one more finish that we provide, that fancy wood grain laminate. And one of the advantages of that finish is that the units already, the pieces of units comes already finished. So once we done with the carpentry installation, the unit is fully done. So that means that the laminate somehow is applied on the pieces of wood in the workshop. So I would like to know how that happened.
Yes, that's a very good point. So what happens with jobs that have wood grain laminate, fully wood grain laminate? So the materials already have a finish. So we take a piece of material, let's say it's going to be a shelf, and then the shelf, it needs to also have finish on the edges. So we have a specific machine for that. It's called Edge Bender. And this is a very satisfying process. You can see how this works. And in the end result, your finish, either it's oak, walnut, whitewood, it's on the edges of the shelf as well.
Thanks, Daria. That was very informative. And thanks everyone for watching us. If you have any questions, please leave your comment and we will cover the question in the next videos.